Too much cover? In Australia, life insurance and TPD insurance are typically included in your super by default, which is generally a good thing. But of every 10 Australians, 4 have more than one super fund, which means that unless they've opted out of insurance with their other funds, they're duplicating their cover and their premiums. For the average Australian, this means $16,000 wiped off their super balance at retirement. Easily fixed though, right? Just consolidate your super into one fund. Maybe not. What if it means you're no longer covered for a pre-existing condition? What if you still have more cover than you need? Or not enough? And did you realise that if you stop working for a while and the contributions stop, then your insurance cover may stop too? There's simply too much at stake to take the DIY option. The smart thing to do is get professional advice and make sure you and the people who depend on you are properly covered.